Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's see. Just playing with some settings here. Video. There we go. All right. Monday morning. Not trying to do anything crazy out of the gates here. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So as you know, copper is usually the first instrument I'm watching. We have IB set. We got our rejection at IB high, and now we're retesting VWAP. Be interesting to see if it holds here and retest IB high. Doing well. I watched my Dolphins lose last night, which was not all that great, against the Bills. I live in South Florida. If anybody's a football fan, fins up, baby. I have to say my optimism has waned a little bit since the last two games, but at least we're in the playoffs, so that's cool. I am watching this copper trade. I would like to break IB high and maybe test a value area high here. We have this nice uptrend going on the higher time frame here. Obviously, we have this big wick, which is not so attractive. See how it goes. Let's see if Cash, you online yet, Cash? Nope, no Cash yet. Well, let's see what we do here. Seems to be holding. Copper moves very slow. You don't know that already. Looks like we're having a pretty big sell-off here, but let's see if it holds. It's been the biggest selling so far, but that could have been just a place to scoop up some liquidity. Have some buyers stepping in here on copper. Holding VWAP so far on the session. Do we get back up to IB high from here? Does this level hold? So we are streaming on YouTube for the first time today. I'm going to stream the first hour of trading on YouTube just so we can get some more exposure for the Discord. I have a Discord. If you guys are watching on YouTube, I got a link to the Discord bottom below in the description. Check it out. We'll do the full live stream in the Discord with kind of like a sneak preview on YouTube for the first hour. Got more sellers stepping in here. So we're watching copper. Copper is the first instrument to have its IB set in the morning from 8:10 a.m. to 9:10 a.m. the first hour of the pit session. And we take the high and low. What we're watching here is support at VWAP. It might lose it here. All right, gold. Let's see the chart on gold. We have this market mid that's also a value area low on the session. That's pretty interesting. We're approaching IB low here. Watch gold here. I do like to fade the first test of IB low. Was that the test there? See if we can get a little bounce. We also have, take a little long there. We'll stop below IB low. Nice. Okay, my stop's now at break even. See if we can get a bigger runner out of this thing. Looks like it's going to come back. Just stop me out. Flat. Break even trade. So once the initial test is over, that setup is gone. Good morning, Cash. Welcome. Willkommen. Watching gold here. So we had a perfect, almost to the tick, fade on gold from IB low there. Do we get some continuation to the upside? Maybe a retest. Value area low. Here we go. Copper still kind of, so that was a nice trade in gold there. We had the test right after IB was set, played out to the tick, and we got the bounce almost all the way up to value area low in the session. Might not make it there. We'll see. So far it looks good, but this is a big... And there's a lot of sellers here on the cumulative delta, so a lot of this selling is being absorbed because we're still maintaining a higher price here from the lows. So that's a good sign. Okay. Silver, we got IB set. IB is pretty close to value area high in the session. We're about to test it here in silver. Interesting to see if copper can break back above. VWAP it did. It's a pretty big pullback so far on this move, but still holding trend. Alright, I'm getting lights in my eyes. Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't look like copper can hold VWAP here. Gold bouncing around. Let's see, I'll set an alarm for IB high. See if we can break above IB mid. Silver. Looks like it's rejecting. At IB high there. Interesting short here on silver. See if we can get back to VWAP. Kind of came up to this IB high, value area high level. Had a nice little rejection candle. Sellers stepping in here. This one's working pretty nice. So I took this short here. Rejection of IB high on silver. And it just reversed. I got out of that silver trade for one tick. Not a fan on that. Those buyers stepping in there. So I got a little scratch trade there. I'd rather take a scratch than a loser, especially on silver. I want that thing working right in my favor. I'm not playing the bounce around game here. Oh man. All right, indices open, agriculture open. Copper is lost VWAP and now it's at IB mid. Silver trade would have worked. Yeah. I'm looking at the products we currently have IBs on until those open up. This is why I don't like to buy the breakouts of initial balance. That was a fade all day. It did. So our entry was here on the rejection of IB high, which we also had confluence of value area high in the session for the rejection all the way back to VWAP, and now it's almost at IB mid. And soybeans. It's falling off a cliff here. Same thing with wheat, corn, all plummeting. Oil plummeting. Gasoline plummeting. Gold's holding up. Silver. Gold. Trying to break into value area. However, we have IB mid right here as well. And copper straight down. Could be a good long in copper coming up here soon. Gold with the breakthrough, IB mid. And now we're above IB mid and in value on gold. So this could be an interesting area to get involved. I went long there. 84. Stop below value area low. See if we can get some follow through on this move. Look at that candle on silver. Wild. Okay, that was the confirmation off IB mid. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. So we had confirmation. So we had the breakthrough, break into value, break above IB mid, came back, tested, and there was your confirmation for the next move up. Now trade's over. Yeah. All right, I got my alert set for that too. Yeah, I do like this on copper. Where's IB low? 799. Pretty much 8. Yeah. The area to watch here. Here we go. See how much of a move up we get here. So the area we're watching here, copper. We got IB low, confluence with value area low on the session, long. Very nice trade so far. And the money by 4 ticks. We got profit orders at 30 and 35. So I'm 1 tick away. Put my stop at break even here. Take another profit here at 25 if I can. I might get scratched out. Did. I see some buyers step in. I'll take this trade again, but we're right at that level here. I could dump through it. You know, the first test already happened. We already had the first test. This would be a second test now. Value area high in IBH. Oh yeah, blue right through. IB high, gold. Copper's looking heavy here. Oh, was that a rejection on gold? Well, let's see. Or is this confirmation? I don't like it. I don't like it to either direction here. Copper still holding this value area low area. Yeah, I'm looking at copper long here. Still watching gold short. Here's the retest of IB high, gold. Copper still playing games down here. It looks heavy. Copper stopped me out there, but could still be a good long. A lot of buying. A lot of buyers in copper here. It's got to break above 800. Cash, what are you doing over there? Got to reclaim this 800 level. Right now we're still trading beneath it. This has just been a slow bleed since IB high here. IB high all the way to IB low. There you go. I'm still having trouble. Sellers stepping in. But are the longs loading up down here is the question. There we go. Nice pop there in copper. Ugh, and the rejection. You didn't take profits, you're back to where you were. Still holding. So I'm still in long copper. It's struggling, but it's also a real slow mover, so now we're just kind of chopping around. That might be the confirmation. Retest. All right, I'm just going to put my stop below that swing low there and see if we can get a move out of it. What else is there? Silver chopping around. Yeah, I'm liking copper long too. I'm in here at 95, so you know I'm flat right here. I got to stop below the swing low. So I've been stopped out on this one already. It's my second stab at it. Here we go. Let's go. Just waiting to get filled here at 25. Man. Hard to watch. Yeah, that bleed was still having trouble getting momentum to the upside here, though. My stop's at break even now. We just get through 20. Have some nice upside. Yeah. I'll give it a little more room. I put my stop back under swing low. Copper can pop when it wants to pop, too. Copper trying to stop me out. You know, I don't like this trade at all. Now we're trading below value area low. Oh, look at that. Some buyer stepped in. Somebody's protecting this level. There it is. Let's go. We can't seem to get through this 20 level though, which is very frustrating. Back down. I'm done with that trade. I got out of break even. Gold still holding under IB high. Yeah. So that was somebody just dumped a lot of contracts in copper, and it's not moving. 250 contracts just dumped on copper, and it's just holding this price. So major buying absorption on copper here. I'm going to go back in for the long. There it goes. Through this level. Well, that was a beauty. Caught that one finally. Yeah. So did silver. Silver's ripping. We're about to have some IBs set in oil. See that? NQ ripping. Gold. All right, let's take a look at some of these. Gold coming up to VWAP. Kind of rejecting at this 50% level. Oh, back above it. See if we get another move up to VWAP. Energy IBs. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, gold testing. Nice short there on gold off VWAP. Yeah, they often trade together. Gold and platinum. Silver also traded with them as well. Natural gas back down to value area low. Let's see if we get back down to IB mid. IB low, and then we have IB high and VWAP close to the same spot. Oil's approaching IB low again. Oof, bonds. Bonds up here at 2x. It's an interesting spot. Oil's coming down to IB low. Does it give us another long opportunity down here? Coming back down. Watching here. Ah. Somebody picked up a couple hundred contracts there on the offer. All right, guys. I'm up in profit target on 2 of my top steps. Hit stop loss in the 3rd. On this longing this copper trade up here on the break of IB high, looking for the continuation. But I caught this one long, so that was nice. Yeah, copper through IB high right to value area high. All right, I'm gonna switch over to my Apteros account, guys. Give me a minute. No, not using. Trade the pool as equities, not futures. I've played around with Trade the Pool. I think it's very cool, but I'm not using it currently. Is that gold? To 2x, right? Look at that. Right to the tick again. Gold back to VWAP after that rejection at 2x IB. What's copper doing? Look at that copper trade. Yeah, I grouped them, and that's in check out the education section. There's there's the template, and then you got to create a different template for each sector. So essentially there's a template for oil, natural gas, gasoline, there's one for gold, platinum, bonds, there's one for silver, one for copper, and then one for all of agriculture and the US indices. There's 5 total. All right, what's gold going to do here? Back to VWAP. Might have been a giant short squeeze right there. 600 contracts on that 1-minute candle bought. We get a little fade below VWAP here. Looks like it's holding up. Lots of buying. Cash, what are you doing? Haven't heard from you in a while. Yeah. Gold sure seems like it wants to squeeze higher. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'm looking at the 15-minute. I got it on the left side of my screen here. I mean, it's going straight up. I generally don't like to short things that are going straight up anymore. Not buying gold up here though. Off VWAP is the place. Value. And Q looking so strong. And there was a lot of buying that just took place on those two candles in NQ. Just grinding up again. Yeah. Yeah, some winners, some losers. We had a nice long on copper earlier. Yeah. Value area low. And Q hold here. We're going lower. Man, there's some big ass buyers stepping in on NQ. Or that's just shorts trying to get out break even. It's a massive buying though. I mean, this candle is 3,000 contracts right here. 4,000. They're trying to squeeze somebody. It was 4,500 contracts just took place on that buying. That could be our high volume reversal there. What do you think, Tony? Still, you know, there's a lot of buying on the sell candle. 1,000 candles, 1,000 contracts. Well, it sucked in a lot of buyers there, I can tell you that. I don't know, man. I think it's pulling in shorts to squeeze and then probably go lower. Playing games. Yeah, I see that in platinum. Nice short there in platinum. Value area high. Not letting shorts out. Still pretty strong up here though. Everything is getting bid up. All the selling attempts just get bit bought up here. Wouldn't be surprised if we got one big move down. Load up the shorts, squeeze one more time. Yeah, that keeps getting bought up. Would like to see a test down to here, at least 50%. We're gonna have IB high set here in 2 minutes. Interesting. One more minute here. Oh yeah, and VWAP right beyond, above it. If we get one. There it is. Boom. There it goes. That was just the giant. Stop run, or do we hold this level? That could have been it. Stop out all the shorts. That's an interesting short right there, I think. If we break below. Holding it so far, there's been a lot of buying up here. A lot of people are trying to load up. All right, oil, IB mid breaking above. Ugh. It's annoying. Actually feeling pretty tired today. That's what I get for staying up late to watch the Dolphins lose. All the indices broke IB high. Platinum taking off. NQ still running up. Looks like a good short in oil. Got it. I took a bunch of trades. I hit my max loss in my Apteros account trying to trade this IB this high. I didn't take profits and then it squeezed against me. Not a good day. And I knew it because I am tired, not feeling great. Traded gold a couple times, traded copper, I had an oil trade. This is the one that did me in. Carol, so I'm gonna close that account down for making it any worse. It is. Max loss, $1,000. Right? See, I gotta make it believable. Can't just go straight up. But I've been taking small profits each day, so it's gonna be, you know, a couple days to get that all back. But easy does it, you know? Had a good day in 2 top step accounts. So really, I'm out of stabs for today. I've hit profit target in 2 accounts and maxed out, max loss in 2 accounts. So I have nothing left to trade at this point. If I'm going to follow my rules, which I'm going to. Thank you, Holden IB High. Yeah, there were a couple good setups. There was this great setup in copper. Got this nice long setup. We also had a short at IB High. First test, rejection. Oil's confirming here on, you know, high value area low. Yeah, it's a good trade. I like that. Which is also VWAP, right by VWAP here. Nice trade on oil there. That long off value area low to the tick. Right back to IB mid. If I'm trading based on confirmation, that's when I mark it in. If I'm just looking to get in at a level, I'll limit in. So, and I do both. So like on that oil trade that we just looked at, that Infamous took, that would have been a market in for me. Broken, retested value area low. Once it showed that it was holding, I'd mark it in long. However, if we were going to do a first test of IB high like these on silver, I'd try and get in on the limit, a ticker ahead of the IB. I wouldn't short there, I don't think. Might get a little chop in this area. And Q higher. Look at the 15-minute on NQ. Straight up since 4:30 this morning. We are both located in sunny, beautiful South Florida. Palm Beach area, about an hour north of Miami. A little over an hour north. That's quite nice. Shane is originally from the Bahamas, and I'm originally from New York. So there's never any native Floridians. Well, you know, I hear Switzerland is very beautiful. I've never been. I'd love to go. I'd love to ski the Alps. I'm a big skier. Check out, what is it? It's the Matterhorn, right? Isn't that what's in Switzerland, the Matterhorn? Where in Switzerland? Zurich? Near Zurich. Cool. I keep my money in Switzerland. My bank, my investment bank is UBS. Man, you guys are in the tundras. Finland, Switzerland. We're hailing from palm trees and sandy beaches. Oh, nice. Costa Rica. I mean, we are quite international, this group, aren't we? And then we have Boca right down the street. Guys, I am not happy with how I traded today. Not at all. I attribute it to being tired, lack of sleep. There's a lot of sickness going around too. I don't know if I'm coming down with something. GI upset. All the things today. Yep, and the lack of confluence. And you know what? I even said this coming in today, and I'm over here, you know, guns blazing. It's okay. No blown accounts. That's all that matters. I take my losses, lick my wounds. I'll be back tomorrow. I did trade well in 2 accounts. So out of 4, I'm a mixed bag. I'm 2 for 2. I have stopped using a copy trader, which I think has been to my benefit. Because when you do bad in one account, you do bad in multiple accounts. And that's definitely not good for the psyche. You know, I can take a max sell on one account, move on, refresh, do well on another account. Right? I still have like 3 hours left here at this desk. You know, it's, you know, if you really think about the whole Apex 20 accounts thing, I mean, you know, what real prop firm would let you trade 20 separate accounts? And why? I think we know why. If you dig deep, you know, that just generates more fees for them. Exactly. And there's a couple people that can make that work for them. I've tried it. I've gotten 20 PAs multiple times. Cash knows. No. Nice. Got somebody with their first sim day. Green. What did you trade to get that green? Nope. No, there is not. You got live cattle coming straight down. Value area low. Chopping and hogs. Good copper. That was a beautiful long. Nice. Those are both really good trades. So we took this short right here. This is copper. First test of IB high, rejection. Nice one. Just went straight to VWAP, and then we came back down to value area low and IB low. Confluence. And I took this long like 2 or 3 times before I actually got it. Well, we're coming up here on 11 o'clock, guys. I think I'm going to call it. I have nothing left to trade. I hit profit target in 2 accounts and then max held in 2 accounts. Not thrilled with my trading, but that's okay. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. I'll review some of these trades with you guys later. I'll post them in the trade analysis section in the Discord. But I am done for the day. I've done enough damage to 2 accounts. I'm going to go rest. Cash, how'd you do? Nice. MD Trader, not with Top Step. Previously, I was with Apex for a long time, and I would have 20 accounts at a time, and I'm over that whole thing. So I have 3 new Top Step accounts. One is about $800 from funding. The other 2 are still pretty fresh. So, but I'll keep you guys abreast of that. My best performing account right now is my Apteros. Which I was 14 for 14 green days. Just took my first red day in that account. No, I'm still in the trial. So that's a 30-day trading trial. I started that back in December. So it's been almost, I'm coming up on a month in that. It takes a while. You have to trade a minimum of 30 trading days. Yeah, for sure. And, you know, I'm here to be transparent. I'm not here to, you know, flash P&L or any nonsense. You know, really, prop firms are nice because it protects your bottom line. And I'm relatively new to futures. I was a small cap trader up until early this year. So what's nice about the prop firms is I've been able to develop this strategy and really get it fleshed out without having to lose large amounts of money, which is nice. Yeah, of course. I'll keep you guys updated on this stuff. I'm pretty close to having a funded account on the Top Step, so I'll keep you updated with that. Apteros, I'm about 40% of the way through now. I was 50 after today. But I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'm going to sign off here, guys. Have a great day. Good luck if you're going to stick around trading. If you're locking it up for the day, I'll see you guys later tomorrow morning. I'll post my trade reviews later today. I think I'm going to go rest for a while. I'm tired. So have a good one, guys. I'll catch up with you soon. All right, later, Cash.